Hey everybody, so I'm here working on my Cadillac and I thought I'd go over something that a lot of people overlook, and that's how to disconnect the connectors properly from a Cadillac vehicle. They're not like other vehicles, clip pins where you just push in the top. They seem to be a little more tricky than most cars. So I'm just gonna go over it real quick and hopefully help you guys out. So we're just gonna use this pin as an example. It's buried inside the center of the engine. This is a coolant temp sensor pin. As you see, let me see if I can focus better. But as you see, you're gonna see the red tab right there. It moves up and down, and you're gonna find it seated. It's gonna be seated down right about there. Now, what you want to do is you want to take something to pull the pin up, and that's going to be your locking mechanism. You're going to pull the pin up. Now, I'm going to show you the next part because this is the tricky part to get it out without breaking it. So, with these pins, I noticed they require two different screwdrivers to work on them and remove them. So as I said, we have to push this red pin down first. And then the part that needs to be pushed in, it's actually a little more tricky than the rest of them. It's actually gonna be this one right here. This black pin right there. And it doesn't feel like it moves in at all, especially with these new ones. See if I could get it in focus. Let's see. Doesn't feel like it moves in at all, but if you see there, it does. And now that's all you need. Now the problem with these is that even when pushed in, they still don't want to release. So you are doing the right thing, but now you need to implement a piece of leverage. So as I'm pushing that in, I like to take another screwdriver underneath it, like so, just to pry it out. Now, I noticed that a lot of these, you have to wiggle them and really work them to get loose because there's a very tight connector. But as long as you know that, yes, you're doing the right thing, they will come out. So I hope this video helps and you could kind of get your connector out without breaking it, because that's just always kind of a pain in the butt. So thanks for watching.